Now we enter the explanation of the material. The first material is the order letter. An order letter is a letter used to request goods or service from the seller. This order letter is usually used by companies or organizations inquiring out business transaction. Here are several points to pay attention to when writing an order letter. 1. Definition. As explained above, an order letter is a letter used to request goods or service from the seller. Two. Structure. The structure of a mail order usually includes letterhead, contains information about the sending company, date and letter number for administrative purpose, destination address, information about the recipient company, opening greetings, usually a formal greeting, contents of the letter, contains order details such as type of goods or service, quantity, price, and others. Closing greetings, usually in the form of thanks and hopes for further cooperation, signature and name to validate the letter. Three. Writing tips. Some tips for writing an order letter include: use formal and polite language, explain in detail and clearly about the order, make sure the contact information and address are correct, use the correct letter format and structure. 4. How to write correctly. The correct way to write an order letter is actually almost the same as the types above. The most important thing is to ensure that all the necessary information is entered correctly and clearly. Five. What should not be in a letter? In a order letter, it is best to avoid using informal or rude language. Don't provide irrelevant or unnecessary information. Don't forget to always check spelling and grammar. 6. Purpose. The purpose of an order letter is to make a request for goods or service from the seller in a formal and written manner. This can also be proof of the transaction between the buyer and seller. The second material is a personal letter. Definition of personal letter. A personal letter is a type of letter written personally by someone to a particular individual or group. This letter is used to convey a message, express feelings, or share personal information. Personal letters usually have a more relaxed and informal character compared to formal letter. Benefits of personal letter: 1. Establish closer relationship. 2. Expression of feelings. 3. Record memory. 4. Convey the message better. Structure and how to write a personal letter. 1. Header. Include the sender's address and date at the top right of the letter. 2. Greetings. Start the letter with an appropriate salutation such as hello, hi, or there. 3. Introduction. Introduce yourself and state your purpose for writing the letter. 4. Body of the letter. Express thoughts, feelings, or information you want to convey. 5. Closing. Offer a politic closing such as greetings, thank you, or warm regards. 6. Signature. Sign the letter with your name under the cover. 7. Attachments, if any. If you want to attach documents or photo, tell the receipt of the letter about the attachment. Things that should not be included in a personal letter. 1. Sensitive personal information. Avoid including personal information that could compromise your or the recipient's security, such as identification numbers, bank account numbers, or password. 2. Inappropriate content. Avoid using abusive, offensive language or sharing inappropriate or unlawful content. 3. Other people's secret. Don't divulge other people's secret or personal information without their permission. 4. Sensitive political or religious issue. Avoid discussion political or religious issues that could trigger debate or conflict. 5. Information that is detrimental to others. Do not spread information that is detrimental or defames other people. The purpose of a personal letter can vary depending on the context and relationship between the sender and recipient of the letter. Some general purposes of a personal letter are: 1. For closer relationship. 2. Express feelings. 3. Sharing important information. 4. Record memories. 5. Provide emotional support. 6. Send congratulations or thanks. The last material is a application letter. Application letter is a written document used to submit a request or apply for a job, usually to a company or organization that is currently opening vacancies. This letter functions as a communication tool between applicants and the parties responsible for the employee recruitment process. The following is a summary of the complete application letter. Definition: an application letter is a written document that contains a request or request to a job for a certain position at a company or organization. Purpose. Application letter has several purposes including explain the applicant interest and motivation in applying for a job, present the applicant qualification and experience, structure. Application letter generally consists of several parts including header, date, company, opening greetings, introductory paragraph, main paragraph, closing paragraph, closing greetings, attachments. Letter contents. The contents of the application letter must be clear, concise, and relevant to the position applied for. Some points that need to be considered when writing the contents of an application letter include: express your interest and motivation in applying for the job, describe the qualification, experience, and skill relevant to the position applied for, include example or accomplishments or projects that can support your qualification, explain why you are interested in working for that company or organization, express your application for the opportunity given and your hope to be able to contribute to the company.